Markets. No trading today, but we need to look at the figures. Mr. Tajudeen Olayinka is an investment banker and a stockbroker. He joins me via phone. My colleague Effiong Ekop is already in the studio. But let me start with you, Mr. Olayinka. What is your assessment of the performance of trading in recent weeks?
Okay, yes. Good afternoon, Tolu. Market was actually bearish for most part of the, in fact, for the entire part of the last week, and of course, it was just continuation of the trajectory that we saw in the since the beginning of March. So it's just a pattern that once you expect at this time, especially when market has gone up so high, and the investors begin to to take profit. So profit taking was actually responsible, and of course, market also reacted to some of this economic data that we got from. I think there was this publication from Stanbic IBTC Bank about purchase managers index, contracting for as low as 42 point something percent and 42 point something as against 50. So when you see that kind of information, it tells a whole lot of story on what to expect in the first quarter of 2023 from some of these listed companies. So market is reacting to variety of factors that actually will make market to slow down at this time. So that was what we saw last week. That was what impacted market last week, and of course that will still be the position we continue to see in the next few days until we begin to get new information from possibly the president-elect and the cabinet that are going to see and things like that before we begin to see upward movement in share prices.
All right, Mr. Olayinka, enjoy the rest of your holiday.
Thank you.
All right, if you take it up from there, profit-taking, economic issues, we cannot ignore all of this. They are very important and they affect us more as a country and, of course, impacting our markets.
Exactly. Market bears took hold of activities throughout last week. We traded 4 days, and all of those 4 days we were in red to a point that the index was down 2.28%. And the majority of the banks, manufacturing companies, the applied prices, were down. Let's talk about corporate actions that we saw last week. And you see, FCMB announced that it was going to pay final dividend of 25 kobo per share to investors. And the date of closure was April 28th. Then Boa Foods declared 4 naira 50 kobo per share, and the date of closure 14th of April. We had UACN declaring dividend of 22 kobo, closure date 7th of June. Then ICO Insurance 3 kobo per share, closure date 1st of June. And again, we had this aviation operator NACO. It declared dividend of 1 naira 20 kobo per share, closing register on the 15th of May. And so if you look at the corporate actions, you will say that achievements by these companies, they were, by reason of economic situation, average. So that's exactly what made markets so. And if last week, even before that, majority of investors were sitting on the fence, drawing money out of the market. Okay. I think that this trend will continue this week that we are entering. Yes. Indeed, until we have the new administration inaugurated, stability will just not be that you can predict. So that's
and all of these are the issues shaping the market.
Exactly. So cautious trading will still be the key. And so we look at the BS, showing strength in the market from now till the end of next month.
Well, let's leave it at that. Full trading starts tomorrow.
Yes,
they will see how the week
by 9:30 in the morning, the market will start the engine, and then we trade till 2:30. Yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Effiong Ekop. And happy Easter. Well, we are here. We are here working as usual.
Yes, we're working.
All right then.